Tripathi and Vivek Dhaya recently celebrated their anniversary with India Forums, where they also received a gift from their fan. So come, let's find out what all they receive and how overwhelmed they are on receiving it.
So, हमें ये एनिवर्सरी सेगमेंट के लिए बहुत सारे हमारे लिए कार्ड्स एंड गिफ्ट्स भेजे हैं किसने वीना जी, ओ वीना जी कहाँ थी आप वीना जी? वी हैव बीन सर्चिंग फॉर यू वीना जी। आप साउथ अफ्रीका से हैं, जो आपने पिछली बार हमारे लिए शादी के गिफ्ट भेजे थे, आपको याद है वीना जी?
Of course,
वीना
of
जी
course.
अभी तक सच बताएं तो हमने
हमारे वो
इस्तेमाल नहीं
डेकोरेटिव्स,
किए हैं।
जो घर के डेकोरेटिव्स आपने भेजे थे, दे वर आउटस्टैंडिंग एंड वी वर सो एक्साइटेड। आपका पार्सल बहुत लेट आया था, है ना, बहुत लेट पहुंचा था यहाँ पे, बट योर लव डिड कम अक्रॉस, डिड
और हम सच में आप तक हमारा मैसेज, हमारा प्यार पहुंचाना चाह रहे थे, पर ऐसा कोई जरिया नहीं मिल रहा था। एंड योर you know what, the way we go, the kind of gifts you had sent across, they all conveyed some message, and for me, like for a bride, they all meant a lot. Like you sent apron, then kitchen utensils,
that glove, the kitchen glove, then
mattress, then there was
the cutlery set. We'd actually seen that cutlery set in London also.
Yes.
And we got very excited, but they didn't have enough pieces, I think. And much to our surprise, we came back to India and then we opened your parcel.
Actually, we thought that they would be too heavy to carry. That's why we did not buy it.
Yeah,
and you sent them across for us.
So
and all of those things were so beautiful. I mean, we are saying all this before opening the packages because we want to convey all the love to you.
Because last time it might have gotten missed, but this time we wanted to mention
Thank
it
you.
here, so.
We really felt as if घर से कुछ आया है हमारे लिए. So thanks a lot for that love. Now, when you both had a crush on each other, I thought you both were being joking. When you started dating, I thought you made quite a pair. When you got married, I thought you made a lovely couple, and as you celebrate your first anniversary, I can finally see that you're made for each other. Thank you. Congratulations to a happy, beautiful and special couple for taking the first steps towards a lifelong union. Heavenly blessed, Prince Vivek and Princess Divanka.
I do feel like a prince now. Thank you.
Thank you, Veena ji. So sweet. Okay, तो अभी हम लोग खोलते हैं. ये आपका है.
Okay.
हो गया ना? Yes! Yes! Slim fit है baby, slim fit. Oh!
इसके साथ शर्ट भी है.
Classy. I love it. You have a lovely
Where is
choice.
my princess?
Right here, Prince Charming.
Okay.
Prince Charmant.
Thank you very much.
Thank
This
you.
is very nice. A white shirt always comes in handy, be it with a shirt or be it with a suit or casually worn with jeans. So thank you very much.
वीना जी, कमाल की चॉइस है आपकी. ये क्या है? अरे?
I think I can guess what this is.
No, I can't.
I can.
It looks like a tray, but it doesn't. It's confusing. No, it's not a tray.
Goes with the box.
Okay, that's something more. Oh, उनको मैसेज मिल गया था. हमने जो प्रीवियस गिफ्ट थे, उन्होंने इंडिया फोरम्स गिफ्ट सेगमेंट में देखे थे. थैंक यू. अच्छा, मैंने पहले कन्वे किया, मतलब. Oh, I did not know. Maybe मैंने आपके साथ
मेरी
कोई
बीवी,
segment में-
मैं एक फिल्म बना रहा हूँ, मेरी बीवी गजनी. तो उसमें मैं लीड रोल में इनको लूंगा.
और ये क्या है? नजमिली ADR. ये आप करो, पढ़ो, मैं जब तक
हाँ,
ये
ये लो.
निकालती हूँ.
We are and were thoroughly enjoying yours and Vivek's amazing performances. We were voting for you like no tomorrow. The excitement and applause was like sitting at the live show. This letter is leaving before the finals of Nachbali 8 and praying.
Really?
This will make you so happy. This letter you'd sent before the finals and
You did not even know that
you did not even know.
we won or not.
So आप इससे प्रूव होता है कि वीना जी हमारी सिर्फ सुख की नहीं दुख की साथी भी हो सकती है. क्योंकि so Please, a small request to my homeless people at Durban Beach Shelter, as you are their favorite YHM actress and you are known to them as Ishita. They've been watching Nach Baliye 8 and supporting you and Vivek. So sweet. Thank you so much.
you.
This means a lot. It's very touching.
ऐसे इतने इमोशनल सेंटीमेंट लिखा कीजिए, कोई भरोसा नहीं मेरा पति रोते हुए भी पाया जा सकता है.
ये तो नहीं है बॉक्स.
हाँ, but what's this? Is it?
Oh, this is a cake?
It's a cake?
No, can't be.
Is it a cake?
Oh my god.
It's a cake? Edible? Oh my god. हाँ, इसमें कुछ लिखा भी है. दिव्यांका विवेक. हम भी बने इस पे, लेकिन वो थोड़ा सा वो हो गया है. खराब हो गया है. See, our
Oh,
red dress.
shit.
Oh god.
You've sent a cake from South Africa.
Oh my god. A cake from South Africa. I want to explore more, then I'll react. पहले मैं boxes ही खोलती हूँ. It should be better. My god, ये Christmas box लग रहा है. ऐसा लग रहा है कि Christmas का कुछ.
Veena ji, you're like a Santa Claus.
Santa! I've got a Santa home. Hey, see? That's a casserole's cover. This is the box. एक second.
Milk chocolate energy bar. ये तो मैं खाऊंगा.
ये क्या है? ये सब chocolates हैं? What are they? There are some goodies. Wow.
There's so many of them though.
Wow. Aren't we acting like kids?
Oh shit. Oh, they're like cakes, muffins, something inside. It's all sweet stuff.
Yeah. Eat. Wow, they
Wow,
look
man.
amazing, man.
Listen, we'd have to explore it properly, but Veena ji, honestly, we are really, really touched by your efforts because to pack all this, I mean, for all we know, it's probably homemade also, है ना?
Yeah.
Could be.
It's
वो तो हम शायद कोई लेटर देखेंगे तो उसमें हमें रिवील होगा कि what exactly this is, but
This is
this
extraordinary.
is really touching,
This
yeah.
is extraordinary. ये केक के फ्लावर्स हैं जो मुझे अलग-अलग जगहों पे मिल रहे हैं.
And then there are
ऐसा
these.
होता है अफ्रीका से आता है सामान ऐसे बिखर चुका होता है, but still I'm really happy कि ये broken glass नहीं है. आमतौर पे जब glasses यहाँ तक पहुँचते हैं तो टूटे हुए पहुँचते
Look
हैं.
at this. This is also something. This is a dress for you.
हाँ भाई, अब तो मुझे ड्रेसेस आती भी हैं, अब मैं पहन भी पाती हूँ. It's a top. It's a top. Wow.
There's another
हाँ
dress for
बीना जी,
you.
मैं थोड़ी सी दुबली हुई हूँ.
There's another dress here.
Wow.
And there's another dress here.
Let's open them up and see, na? I should behave in a more dignified manner.
Yay!
That's mine!
Yeah, I'm getting excited for you only.
Ah. Thank you, Veena ji.
And this is the
Beautiful.
This is the top for I
For
think,
this one,
for
this
that,
is
yeah.
the cake ka dabba ka top. Tupperware, baby.
And
हम
then,
लोग
oh
क्या
my
ये
God.
सारे बच्चे ना यही बोलते हैं कि जिसकी मम्मी टपरवेयर के डब्बों में भेजती है
Ouch.
खाना, उसके बाद में जरूर बोलती है डब्बा वापस लाना. So ये एसेंशियल होता है.
There you go. There's a oh my God! Look at.
I hope they fit me
But there
39
is-
size. I hope.
But there's a red and a white.
Yes, perfect fit. Cinderella के shoes fit हो गए.
अब
Voila.
but there's a red and a white. दूसरे पैर में आपको white पहनना है.
Oh, ऐसा है क्या?
ये साउथ अफ्रीका में फैशन है खास. तो
See. Voila.
so basically fashion is.
एक में red और एक में white.
The fashion is that one day you have to wear that red in that foot and white in that, and the other day you have to wear white in your right foot. and
Right. All right.
अरे वहाँ का फैशन है ये.
Wow, nice. ये तो हर बार बिल्कुल जैसे शादी वाला पैकेज होता है ना, दुल्हन को भेजा जाता है, वैसे ही आप हर बार भेजते हो. Thanks for that. मैंने सही किया जो मैंने विवेक को यहाँ पे बुलवा लिया ना.
हाँ ये लो.
बहुत ही सही.
ये एक और ड्रेस है. चीता प्रिंट.
Ah, that's a dress.
And then you got your matching jewelry also.
So sweet. That's typical South African, right?
What is typical South African?
No, वो कुछ patterns होते हैं खास जो आपको उधर
और
ही-
इसके अंदर क्या है? ये तो मुझे
jewelry, more jewelry. See beads वगैरह ना South African होता है ना beads.
हाँ हाँ
Nice.
of course.
I like so excited. Next क्या है next?
ये क्या है? मीना जी ये क्या है? समझ नहीं आ
बताती
रहा।
और इस salt and pepper.
अरे salt and pepper.
See.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा।
So cool.
ये लो ये पकड़ो। पर ये क्या है उसके ऊपर? Life is
ये
good.
लड़कियों को बहुत पसंद आता है ये तो वो है ना
Keyring.
कीरिंग है
Okay.
don't follow your dreams chase them and what's this
Life is good.
life is good wow nice thank you
There you go.
more of those muffins waiting for us
ये लो।
ये भी कुछ है क्या है
Letter भी है यार।
खोलिए
Look at this. Team of 70 Durban Beach Shelter Dormitory. Fatima, Ronald Botiha, Stephen Lawrence,
बाजू
Lala, Roshni, Tony,
Narisha.
Ishara, Mary,
अशोक तालंत नगोसी रीता
Talant, Ashok,
Naibal.
Nigos, Rita,
टोनी रोशनी
Karina,
सनोरा
Wendy, Shalisa.
स्टीवन
Yeah. Wow.
वो ये भी कुछ है
This is probably to make it stand. Oh shit, it
oh it's
broke.
broken
It broke. But we'll fix it. Don't worry. We will
Yeah.
fix it. 1 year
ये
as.
पहले यहाँ से देखते हैं क्या है
हाँ.
Bon anniversaire the marriage happy anniversary first year as husband and wife 2017 12 months together 52 weeks of friendship 3 years patience hours of laughter minutes of happiness seconds of love
Oh wow.
happy first anniversary Divyanka and Vivek happily married as Mrs. and Mr. Vivek Dahiya first year as husband Asha same thing wow and so many seconds of love this is
Amazing.
so
So
amazing
you want to put this behind? This will go there.
so basically it's supposed to be like this
Yeah.
ये it's come out वो हम चिपका देंगे thank you
Thank you so much.
Thank
So
you.
much. This is very touching,
it's awesome
and we can see how much effort that you've made.
and we have been there Eiffel Tower
That's why she sent it, no?
उनको पता था हम गए
Obviously, वो randomly वो ताजमहल भी तो बना सकते थे.
बनाने को तो बना सकते थे हाँ पर इतने सारे वो करने को डिमार्केशन करने नहीं मिलता मैं तो अभी भी ढूंढ रही हूँ कि शायद और भी कुछ निकले सो थैंक्स फॉर दिस लव एंड वीना जी स्पेशली क्योंकि ये सेगमेंट आपसे शुरू किया था तो हमें आपका ये प्यार बहुत अच्छा लगा
तुम पे शुरू,
तुम पे फना
है सूफियाना, ये सारा
कुछ भी सो थैंक यू सो मच वीना जी और आप सब भी जो कि अभी ये सेगमेंट देख रहे हैं आप में से कुछ लोग हमें हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी विश करना चाह रहे होंगे तो आप सभी को थैंक यू सो मच इंडिया फोरम्स को थैंक्स कि आपका प्यार हम तक पहुंचाते रहते हैं एंड इट्स ऑलवेज ग्रेट कनेक्टिंग विद इंडिया फोरम्स थ्रू देम वी गेट टू नो यू एंड आप लोग से हम लोग बातचीत कर पाते हैं सो थैंक्स फॉर बीइंग देयर फॉर अस
India Forums wishes Divyanka and Vivek a very happy wedding anniversary.
Hi, this is Divyanka Tripathi and you're watching IndiaForums.com.
And we hope that your token of love has reached Divyanka and Vivek. Keep sending your love and we promise to deliver it to your favorite stars. Kajal Mishra, camera person Babaji, India Forums, Mumbai.